Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 11th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, on the pound yen, we have to keep in mind that every single one of these time frames, monthly, weekly, daily, and 4 hour time frame, is up. And that tells me that there's a chance that it just keeps on trending up no matter what my analysis says. So, definitely, primarily longs only right now. But looking at this pattern, I do think it could be a WXY. And if it is a WXY, then it potentially should go down like that to make the wave B before it goes up and makes the wave C to the 78%. But like I said, the trend is up, so be careful with that analysis. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. Now, if we bounce from one of these Fibonacci retracement levels with momentum, then we could try to take it as a short. But like I said, just be very cautious with this analysis because all the higher time frames are up. So if we get like a nice Fibonacci bounce, a nice break of structure to the downside, we can start looking for shorts. But if it doesn't bounce and it just goes up, makes a bounce, doesn't break structure, goes up, doesn't break structure, and just keeps on going, then I would just keep on looking for longs. For me personally, I will be doing nothing but looking for longs until we get that Fibonacci bounce, until we get that break of structure. And if and when that happens, that's when I will start looking for shorts at the end of pullbacks. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.